guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing the song in the title. I would call it a HWAA because that's the only stuff I can read off of the title. I don't speak Korean or whatever language that is. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to play this amazing song in standard tuning. Make sure your guitar is in standard tuning. Put your cap on fret number 2, and we're playing the following chords. So the first chord is an E minor, right? Like that. And then we go to C, and then we go to G, and then we go to D. So if you're strumming this as a beginner, you're basically strumming twice down, so that's okay, so that's 1, 2 for each chord. And then if you're strumming this as, you know, an advanced player, then you're playing. Which is basically down, up, up, 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 down, up, up. And that's pretty much it for the whole song. Now if you're not familiar with the chords that I was using here, you can check out my chord video. Is on this channel. I will put it in the description actually, so you can learn how to hold the chords, and then you watch this video for how to play the song. Otherwise, that's it. And if you wanna, you know, if you need me guys to, if you guys need me to do the whole if you want to see that, do subscribe to my cover channel. It's also in the description. I will leave it in the description. I'm gonna do a fingerstyle of this right now before you know the song gets popular, which it probably will by tomorrow. Otherwise, that's it for this video. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and let me know any other songs you need me to do for you guys. Peace.